The room that we're standing in right now is the living room from the crime scene space, and we have 3 rooms. Straight ahead of me is the bedroom, and then behind me is the entrance to the kitchen. 3 well-furnished rooms. It feels real in here. It feels like a real home. But what's special for a crime scene is that everything's washable. So the walls are washable, the ceiling's washable. Each item is was hand chosen and washable as well. We also have I chose different textures for the walls. So some of the walls are intentionally smooth and some of them have a texture to them because blood behaves differently on different textured surfaces. Anyone training in this space is going to be able to experience that. Different textures as far as the furniture. We have carpets, we have newspapers intentionally set out, glass, metal, mirrors. Blood behaves so differently on mirrors, so that students in each of these rooms, all of those different materials are hand chosen and placed intentionally. And we have different glass at different surfaces. So there are times when blood stain is below the surface. So we're able to say the height of a person was at least below this particular surface. So each room has that capability. In each space, we have, like I said, everything's washable. So to be able to wash everything, we have floor drains in the floor so we can hose everything down and then recreate the next scene. And speaking to that, when we're creating scenes, we have video capability. So in each room we have cameras that are placed strategically in 2 different corners near the ceiling to record not only students when they're collecting and documenting. So we have a computer outside of this room that's hooked up to all of these rooms, and then the trainers can watch and give feedback, and also the students can watch to see what were they focusing on, did they document things properly. Prior to their arrival and processing scenes, the bloodshedding events are actually going to be recorded, and then the students, after they analyze and come to the best explanation of the events that occurred in these spaces, they're able to watch how these spaces, how the events actually were created. So it gives them a lot of feedback and more confidence and understanding best explanation.